The Ethereum spot ETF is going to be approved today. How we're going to trade this. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the Pipe 5x5, staying live in Dubai. I'm going to be actually leaving Dubai tomorrow, but I think I will be doing a show tomorrow. And then I'm going to be doing shows in Germany. Yes, I'm going to be in Germany for the next little while, about 2 weeks actually. And yeah, maybe I'll do a meetup in some of the cities that I'll be in. Who knows? Let's see what happens. All right. With that said, let's get on with the show because we're going to be doing some news and then some TA. And if you're interested in trading that on that TA, you can do so by heading over to DaVinciJ15.com and signing up to 2Bit and just do a deposit of $100, and you can gain access to my private group where you could watch and find out this information before everybody else does, because I do this earlier and then it gets posted later. So you get a heads up. And also once you're on a group, you could actually, ask me questions and so forth, on the live stream, because I do a live stream for you guys. This is actually being live recorded for the people in my private group. So make sure you sign up right now and get it through 2Bit, 2bit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. All right, so it looks like you guys have some of you have paid attention. There is a lot of weak paper hands that bought this rally, and yeah, that's just the way it is with all cryptocurrencies and all assets in the space. It looks like WAFFLES coin is consolidating through price. Usually a crypto asset that is created usually has a 88.6 retracement right here. So an 88.6 is probably halfway here. So this is, it almost got to the 88.6, which is like right here around the 1/10 of a cent here. And we didn't quite make it. So is there a chance that we could go down there? Yes, it's possible. But right now we're showing that, hey, we're going to have a consolidation sideways. So I think it's holding the line between the two tops here, the top and the bottom of 1 2/10 of a cent and half a penny. So that's where it's at. Okay, rally or dud, what to expect if the spot ETF are approved? Well, in this article, its approval would be a significant event, not only for investors, but also it could also represent an important change in the current status quo of the U.S. crypto regulation. Many in the crypto community expect the SEC to approve the spot Ether ETF. Yes, that's the overall gist of what this means, this Ethereum ETF. But it also, on a micro level, does this mean the price will go up or go down? Well, it will most likely go up because it was not expected. Yes, markets are forward discounting, and yes, Ethereum did rally quite a bit, but that rally, it wasn't like a build-up expectation. Somebody knew about it when shortly after Ethereum reversed down, because it was targeting to $2,400, and all of a sudden that target disappeared a week before we got the news that the probabilities would increase. So obviously somebody got that information after the fact and started buying, Ethereum. So the odds of it being approved today is significantly higher, but no guarantees. If it doesn't get approved, it will dump. Prices will dump. Okay. Cryptocurrency transactions are built to keep your money safe. Here's how. The key thing for it, how it keeps your money safe, is in recent years, digital transactions are made secure with the technology of blockchain, i.e. cryptic digital ledger of transactions. What does it really mean is that basically you have a ledger, which is a written document of who has what, and how much. And so how do you know that somebody didn't modify who has what to their own advantage? Well, with cryptography, complex cryptography, and I'm not going to go into all the details of how that cryptography works, but it ensures that, hey, wait a second, you can't change the past history of transactions values. You can't say you all of a sudden have more, because no, it will, if you did that, it would stop you, right? Because all the nodes, all the people who are running a Bitcoin protocol would go, yeah, okay, dude, you want to steal money? No. No. So that's how it works, right? It ensures that no one can counterfeit some extra Bitcoins by telling anybody who tries to do that, no. So, and tries to double spend or spend more than they have, it just goes no. And that's how the technology basically works in general. Yeah, I don't want to go into complex details. I can do that, but I'm not going to. After Ethereum, it's time for Solana ETF. Okay. The approval of a spot Ethereum ETF could have domino effect on other cryptos, particularly Solana. I think Solana paid for all these articles, paid all the news anchors to mention Solana. This is absolutely ridiculous. Sometimes online. Oh my God. No. Hopefully, even if it does get approved, right, Solana, at least you'll have a means of actually buying it when it's down, the network's down. So that would be the advantage of that. Oh boy. All right. I know I'm hating on Solana, but it's not that much of hate. It's just light banter. And if you want some Solana, you can head over to 2bit.davincij15.com and buy some Solana right now. All right. So looks like, Bitcoin is like being a little bit of a punk. It broke down, and yeah, then as normal, right? You have these breakdowns of a key level. It tends to go, yeah, no, and then psych you out and then, reverse up. So this is an interesting set of candles. This is a fractal that looks like a bullish fractal, but it didn't get confirmed, unfortunately, which is weird. I'm thinking they might be playing with you, but the odds are right now, you can see it is a breakdown. Now, Ethereum is, on the other hand, has a little bit else, something else to say. We can be happy that this target was taken out, and you could have gotten a little bit more, but there was a reversal here. Obviously, the same thing, the same rule applies here. There's generally a reversal when we come to a breakdown of key M pattern, right? You saw the M pattern here. We have to be careful of a reversal that it will go, this is a breakdown because we broke the level, but then reverse on us. And especially in a bullish market, right? So you had to expect it, and that's what it did. And I did mention that on the Moon Show last night. If you missed the Moon Show, check it out. I mentioned that this was going to probably reverse on us, and it did. And hopefully you took profits before on this particular trade, if you did get into this trade. Looking forward to the next trade, Ethereum is looking very bullish right now. You can see we've actually broken out of a pattern here, a wedge pattern here. And does that mean it's going to go higher? Let's just wait for it to retest this area here and then see it, because there's only a few touch points here, and then see what happens if it blasts for it. Right now, this indicates that, wait a second here, hold on, wait a second, ready to take off with the ETF approval. So odds are the approval based on the TA is something that's going to occur with Ethereum, right? Yeah, there it is. The TA is saying exactly that. Somebody is buying Ethereum, right? They brought it down. They psyched out the people thinking that it was going to go break down, and boom, they got a chance to buy it up, right? And so, yeah, that's what you should take the odds on. With that said, so how do we trade this? Understanding that we could be completely wrong, we're going to go to a 2% loss on this one. So, right, and that takes us down there. So and go for a 2-to-1, because this thing looks like it. If we get approval, right, it will be a shock to the market. So you can expect maybe even take out its previous highs. So look out for that with Ethereum. That's the trade for today. All right. I hope you guys make the trade and do well on this trade, I will be posting this in the group. And yeah, that's what I think is going to happen. All right, thank you for watching. I was going to do Ethereum Shiba, but yeah, I'm gonna pass on that. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.